Are you captivated by the beauty of nature? Do you find yourself drawn to the mysterious world of wildlife? If so, then it's time to embark on a thrilling journey. Today, let's discover the art of wildlife photography. Capturing the essence of an animal in its natural environment is a truly mesmerizing experience. But how can you begin the art of wildlife photography? Let's dive right into the secrets of this captivating craft. First off, equip yourself with the right gear and equipment. A quality DSLR or mirrorless digital camera with a telephoto lens will allow you to get up close and personal with your subjects without disturbing them. You should also have a tripod and extra memory cards with plenty of storage space. Once you have the right equipment, you'll need to learn how to use it properly. The most important settings you'll need for wildlife photography are aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Aperture controls the depth of field, shutter speed controls the amount of motion blur, and ISO controls the sensitivity of the camera to light. You'll need to experiment with different settings to find the best combination for the situation you're in. Next up, patience is key. Wildlife don't pose for the camera, so be prepared to wait for that perfect moment. Learn to embrace silence, stay still, and allow nature to unfold its wonders before your lens. Understanding animal behavior is essential for success. Study your subjects, learn their habits, and anticipate their movements. This knowledge will enable you to capture those intimate and unique shots that tell a story. Make sure to pay attention to the background, foreground, and practice the rule of thirds when composing your shots. It is best to try to capture your subjects in their natural environment and avoid distracting elements. Of course, the journey doesn't end in the wilderness. Post-processing of your photos is an art in itself. Enhance your images, bring out the true colors, and create a visual masterpiece that will leave your viewers breathless. Finally, share your passion with the world. Let your images speak for themselves. Use them to inspire others to appreciate and protect our incredible wildlife. So, are you ready to go on this thrilling adventure by exploring the wild through your lens? Now you can capture the beauty and unveil the wilderness through the lens of a wildlife photographer.